So hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, the Info Simplifier. So as I promised in my earlier video that I will post a video which will show you bird show in the Jurong Bird Park. So in this video you will see birds performing in the Pools Amphitheater inside Jurong Bird Park upon instructions from their trainers, and there were pelicans running in the amphitheater, and there were other birds interacting with the audiences as well. So guys, enjoy the bird show in the Jurong Bird Park and let me know your opinion in the comment section below.
Natural behaviors of the course. In the wild, the course would congregate on palm trees to feast on palm nuts. If you look right up there, we have replicated a palm tree, and with that, everyone, look right up there. Let's welcome the birds, and there you go. That's the first one, Gaia, our high-speed macaw. One more friend will be joining him, and we have Ferrari, our scarlet macaw. These birds, they can be found in jungles of South America. Now, after feeding in the wild, they will go to rocky areas just like this to lick up on clay or chalk. This would help them with the digestion of any unripe palm nuts or fruits that they have eaten. Well, looks like Ferrari's still right up there, but not to worry. This will definitely be his next stop. We have more birds joining us, and these birds, they gather food for their young, especially during nesting season. This afternoon, we are going to have a competition, and they will need supporters. People right here, you will support Barry, the green-winged macaw. I need all of you to clap your hands and shout his name, just like this. Barry, Barry, come on, louder.
Very, very.
Stop. Very good. People on this side, you will support Cocky, the scarlet macaw. Same thing, clap your hands and shout his name. Cocky, Cocky. Equally good as well, now birds to the table. So birds, they gather food in pretty colors, just like this. Okay, so we have 4 fruits on each side of the table. Supporters ready, birds are ready, and go! There you go. All right, so Cocky supporters, come on, you have to cheer louder. Ready, go! Right here in the bird park, we give our birds fun activities to do, which is similar to what they do in the wild. This is called enrichment. In the wild, birds will forage for seeds and nuts. And right up there, Mitra, she's holding onto an enrichment device. And by the way, she needs volunteers. So if you'd like to volunteer, just raise your hands, get her attention, and she might just pick you. Now that is an enrichment device, and inside those knots, we have hidden treats for these lovely birds to find. Okay, so please remain seated at all times. Thank you very much. Looks like our volunteer is ready, everyone. Look at that. The largest in the toucan family. Very brave young volunteer right there. Can we give him a big hand? Good job, young man. Now look at their beaks. Despite the size, they can actually catch insects in mid-flight without even stopping. So Woody right here, he will be throwing 2 pieces of fruit way up high. Let us see if the toucans can catch them, okay? Alright, so everybody get your cameras and video cameras ready. Woody, are you ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Wow! Good catch. One more time, can we all come together? Are we ready? Let's count. 1, 2. Woo! Another great catch by our Toko toucan. Now look at how he swallows the grape right there. By the way, these 2 birds, they are Mr. and Mrs. Exo. They are a husband and wife team. Okay, now these 2 birds, they've done a wonderful job, and it's time for them to head back home. They are very loyal to one another, so I will be placing them on the stump right here. There you go, guys. Okay, Mrs. Exo, you lead the way. Mr. Exo, you follow. Our Toko toucans, everyone. What differentiates parrots from other animals is their ability to copy sounds, and they do this in the wild for social communication. The owl in Amazon is famous for its ability to copy human sounds, and we have one such bird today. So everyone, get your video cameras ready, alright? Okay, so let's start with a welcome handshake. Hello there, look at that very cute handshake. Okay, he's going to introduce himself. Are you ready? Can you tell everyone here your name?
Bao Bao.
Oh, did you catch that? One more time, what's the name?
Bao Bao.
Bao Bao is his name. Now Bao Bao means baby or precious in Mandarin. So before he begins, he needs everyone to do something first. What's this, Bao Bao? Can you hear that one? Let's try this one more time. What's this? That was me, okay? I wanted him to ask all of you to keep quiet. So let's try this one more time. It goes something like this. There you go. That is how he asks everyone to keep quiet, okay? He's gonna start off with the first sound, and that is the... Oh, this one. What's that? Yes, that sounds like someone knocking on the door. So when someone knocks on the door, what do you ask? Who is it? Well, Pao Pao, I think it's a very fierce neighbor, the dog. Not a very fierce dog, right? It sounded more like a cute little puppy. Now, not only that, he can also copy high-tech sounds. Everyone, guess what this is? What's that? Yes, it's the sound of the telephone. So when the telephone rings, you pick it up and you say hello.
Hello.
Wow, one more time, say hello.
Hello.
A very nice and sweet hello from Pao Pao. Okay, there you go. Now he can also copy human sounds that you and I make. So when you're sad, what do? You cry, right? Pao Pao, how do you cry? Cry. Cry. That is how he cries, okay? Now, I'm going to cheer him up, I'm going to tickle him, and then he's going to laugh. No! Oh, he got shot right there. That's not how you laugh. Papa, are you ready? Okay, turn around over here. Okay, let me tickle you. No? I think he got shot by something. I don't see anything up here, Papa. Okay, come on, let's try this one more time. Very good. Okay, how do you laugh? Show everyone how you laugh. No? No? Okay, I'm gonna move it. Alright, right? Okay. No? You want to try the laugh? Let's go. Ha ha. Ha ha. Ha ha. That was me, okay? No? Okay, I'm not gonna force him to laugh, okay? I think he got shocked by something right here on stage. Never mind, it's okay. We're gonna move on. So he can also sing a line of the birthday song. So by any chance, is there anyone celebrating a birthday today? Raise your hands if it's your birthday. Come on. Anybody celebrating a birthday? Okay, we have one lady right up there in blue. Anybody else? Two, one, two, all the way up there. So for the two of you, three right in front of me. Oh, yesterday was your birthday. Okay, Papa will still sing your birthday song. Okay, Papa, are you ready? Hi. Hello. Come on, let's sing. Happy birthday to you. There you go. You're singing happy birthday right now. Okay, let's sing together this time. Okay, let's sing together. Ready? Happy birthday to you. There you go. Okay, on your own one last time, please. Happy birthday to you. Can we give Papa a round of applause? And thank you for celebrating your birthday right here in the Bird Park. It's time for him to head back home, but before that, he has something really nice to say to everyone. Can I say this? Say I love you. No? I don't know. I don't know. There you go. We all love you too, Papa. Now be a good boy, wave and say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. 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 There you go. Can we give Papa a big hand, everyone? Well done, Papa. On the other hand, Amazon parrots. Now parrots like Papa, they are very hard to upkeep as they require a lot of time and commitment. They can be very loud and noisy as well, and some can even live up to 80 years old. So do bear that in mind when getting a parrot as a pet. Now the next two birds coming out, there are two different species of hornbills, and they will show you how they nest in the wild. With that, everyone, let's welcome Pepper, our Papuan reed hornbill. There you go. Now Papuan reed hornbills like Pepper, they can be found in Asia. So when the female wants to nest, they will look for cavities in trees, and then right up there is our nest box, which is similar to what we give the hornbills right here in the Bird Park. I will be coming really close to you. Please do not reach out and try to touch the bird, okay? So what Pepper is going to do right now is she will inspect the nest box to see if she likes it. Pepper, are you ready? Can you go check the nest box out? Come on. This one is right there. Look at her. She's slowly inspecting her surroundings first, making sure there are no predators around before making her decision to take off. Okay, Peppa, are you ready? So scanning around. Look at her. There she goes. So what she's going to do right now is she will inspect the nest box, and only if she likes it, then she will hop right in. That was fast. Once inside, the female will seal herself in using soil, regurgitated food, and even her own droppings. The hole will only be big enough for her beak to stick out. Okay, Pepper, you can seal the nest now. Pepper, where are you? There she is. Now everyone look right up there. Let's welcome Sunny, another great white hornbill, Jurong Bird Park's animal icon. Now the breeding behaviors of hornbills in the wild are very similar. The male will feed the female, and this will go on for about 3 to 4 months until the eggs are hatched. Then mother and child will leave the nest. Now the Jurong Bird Park is successful in breeding the Oriental pied hornbills using nest boxes just like these, and thanks to your contribution to our conservation fund, we have successfully released them back into the wild, as well as right here in the bird park. So do keep your eyes wide open for them while walking around the park. Sunny, Lisa, one more flight. And they, very careful this afternoon. Okay, come on, there you go. Okay, our hornbills, everyone. Very nice music. Well, that comes the time to simply enjoy the bird's flight. So if you'd like to volunteer, raise up your hands. Get the trainer's attention right up there, and they might just pick you. Look at the bird's powerful wings as they fly past. This allows them to swoop through branches and leaves in the rainforest of South America. Unfortunately, their wild friends are losing their homes at a rate of 1 football field a day due to human development. Now we can all help these beautiful birds by practicing the 4 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle, and most importantly, replant our destroyed rainforest. So for those of you not holding on to the hoop, please remain seated at all times, and up goes Patina. And up goes Vega. Beautiful fly by Vega and Patina. Okay, we need 3 more volunteers with powerful wing flaps, long tail feathers, and very sharp eyesight. This allows them to be maneuverable and agile in flight. So these 2 birds, they are going to fly from 2 different ends of the stage and hopefully meet each other's flight path somewhere in that center hoop. So center volunteer, you've got to keep your hoop straight and steady. Okay? Okay, I need the children to take their seats. Yes, everybody sit down, please. Thank you very much. Volunteers, are you ready? Patina ready? Ready, go! Whoa! That was perfect. Thank you very much, Durga and Patina. Thank you. And finally, Vega here is going to try something even more challenging, okay? Booty? Why do you have a yellow bag? Oh, there's something inside. Let's take a look. Woo! Wow! Look at that really small hoop. Now, of course, they are streamlined bodies, which allows them to fly through dense vegetation of the rainforest to escape from potential dangers or predators. I need the lady in yellow to sit down. Thank you very much. There you go. Now, everyone. Vega needs to focus. There you go. Yes, sense volunteer. Hold the hook very still. Okay, Vega, are you ready? And up he goes. 1, 2, 3. Coupon, raise your hands. I need someone who is not afraid of birds, okay? Okay, I'm gonna choose this young lady in the blue dress. Okay, is you young lady? Oh, she volunteered earlier on. Okay, let's choose somebody else, okay? Okay. Okay, hold on. Okay, how about that young lady with the cat ears? Yes, you young lady. You don't have to come down here, just stand up on the staircase aisle. Yes, stand up on the staircase aisle. You are not scared of birds, right? Stand on the staircase aisle. Just move up a little bit. Very good. Raise your arm, palm facing the sky, just like that. Because a bird will deliver this all the way up to you, I need you to remain still at all times, okay? So with that, everyone, here comes Sassy, our sulfur-crested cockatoo. Hey there, Sassy. You know what to do with this, right? Take it all the way up to a volunteer. There she goes. Okay, stay still, young lady. Very good, Sassy. And you fly back down to me. Good job. Now, young lady, good job. With that coupon, you can exchange it for a free cool drink at the Birds of Play Playground. Thank you. How about one more? One more volunteer. This time, I need someone who can show me money. Once I said money, all the hands went down. The first one to show me money will get to do this. I see hands, I see wallets, I need to see money. No wallets. Where? Okay. Since I chose a young lady, just now I'm gonna choose a young man this Okay, do you have a smaller one? Let's see, do you have a small one? $2 will do. Okay, very good. Stand up on your seat. Stand up on the bench. Now fold the money into half. Fold it one more time. Hold it in between your thumb and index finger. Money pointing upwards just like that, okay? Very good. So no matter what happens, please do not move. Okay? Sassy, what do you do when you see money, Sassy? You don't waste time. Take the money, that's right. Now don't move. Everyone look where his money goes first. Into my pocket. Now you can keep smiling. Put your hand down and sit down. Thank you. You want to try the $100 this time? No, I was just kidding. Sassy will return you your money in a very short while, okay? Now for those of you who would like to help the local birds and animals in Singapore, come on down after the show, contribute any amount into our conservation fund right here, which supports 27 conservation projects across the region, and in return, we will give you a postcard of Sassy. So that's all right after the show. In the meantime, can you please stand up once again? Raise your arm, palm facing the sky, just like that. So once Sassy puts the money down, you grab hold of the money, okay? Smile. Very good. Your money's coming back. Sassy, be a good girl. We can't keep that. There she goes. Okay, put it down. Very good. And you fly back down to me. Can we give our sporting volunteer a round of applause? And Sassy has done a wonderful job. Home is all the way back to side. Thank you, Sassy. In a very short while, we will be having our grand finale. I'm pretty sure the birds in the show, they have amazed you and maybe even made you laugh as well. But please do not forget all the bird conservation champions that you have met today. You and I can help these beautiful birds by choosing that the paper or wood that we buy comes from recycled materials so that less of their forest homes will be cleared. You and I, we have the power to choose what we buy, so let's make the right choice and make a difference today. Well, looks like we are ready. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, for grand finale, we will be bringing out lots of birds on stage, so let's get started. First off to Africa, we have the great white pelicans. Next off to India, our spotbill pelicans. All the way from Eastern Europe, we have our Dalmatian pelicans. Here they come. Come over here, guys, quickly now, come on. Now, back to Africa. The birds with their sexy long legs. Our greater flamingos! And finally, all the way from South America, let's welcome our beautiful macaws from up there and there. Of the show. Now, if you would like to take pictures with our birds, please do stay, as we will be bringing out our photography flamingos in a very short while. In the meantime, you are more than welcome to come down, take pictures of the birds we have on stage while we usher them back home. Now, if you would like to bring home a fun memory of the show, my colleague up there, she has plush toys going at a special price only here at the Pools Amphitheatre, so do check them out later. On behalf of our sponsor, the Singapore Press Holdings Foundation, continue to have a great day right here in the Bird Park. And remember to take a look around and bring all your belongings with you when you leave. Thank you and bye-bye! Alright, now as you can see, we are ushering our birds back home to get ready for our flamingo photography. Now the next show and the last show for the day will be the 4 p.m. Kings of the Sky show. That is at the Hawk Arena. Okay, so that's at 4 p.m. Kings of the